Or have you ever wondered why buildings in different parts of the world and from different periods in history look so vastly different from each other? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? The answer lies in the grand tapestry of architecture, a fascinating blend of art and science that tells a story of human ingenuity and creativity. Let's begin our journey by exploring the diversity of architectural styles around the globe, each reflecting its unique cultural identity. From the intricate temples of Southeast Asia to the grand cathedrals of Europe, each structure serves as a testament to the values and beliefs of its creators. They are a mirror to the world, reflecting our history, our culture, and our aspirations. But the artistry of architecture is not just about aesthetics. It's also a science, a testament to human problem-solving skills. It's about how we've used the materials at hand, adapted to the climate, and leveraged technological advancements to create structures that are not only beautiful, but also functional and enduring. Consider the igloos of the Arctic, marvels of engineering made from snow, designed to withstand extreme cold. Or the stilt houses of Southeast Asia, elevated to protect against floods and provide ventilation. Each structure, in its own way, is a testament to the ingenuity of its builders, shaped by the natural environment and the materials at hand. Over time, as societies advanced and technologies evolved, so too did architecture. From the sturdy stone buildings of the Middle Ages to the glass and steel skyscrapers of the modern era, each period in history has left its unique imprint on the architectural landscape. But architecture is not just about the past. It's also about the future. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, who knows what amazing structures we'll create. From self-sustaining eco-buildings to structures that can withstand the harshest of environments, the future holds exciting possibilities. As we journey through time, let's explore how these factors have influenced architecture from ancient times to the present. So sit back, relax, and join us on this fascinating journey through the world of architecture. It's a story that's as diverse and dynamic as the human race itself. Our architectural journey starts in the ancient world, where the first monumental structures began to appear. Starting in the sun-drenched sands of ancient Egypt, the pyramids stand as a testament to human ingenuity. These towering structures, built by thousands of laborers over several decades, were not just tombs for pharaohs, but symbols of power and religious devotion. The Great Pyramid of Giza, in particular, is a marvel, constructed with over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing between 2.5 to 15 tons. And all of this achieved with a precision that continues to mystify us. Now let's journey to ancient Greece, where the Parthenon crowns the city of Athens. Here, the Greeks showcase their reverence for symmetry and proportion. This temple, dedicated to the goddess Athena, is a masterpiece of Doric architecture, featuring fluted columns and intricate friezes. Its construction reflects the Greeks' advanced understanding of geometry and their cultural emphasis on harmony and balance. From Greece, we trek to the rugged terrains of China, where the Great Wall snakes across mountains and valleys. This colossal fortification, built and rebuilt over centuries, was a demonstration of imperial power and a deterrent against invasions. The Great Wall, made from a mix of rammed earth, bricks, and stones, is a testament to the Chinese understanding of materials and their adaptability to diverse landscapes. These ancient constructions, each unique in their design and purpose, reflect the technological capabilities of their time. The Egyptians harnessed their knowledge of geometry and their understanding of the Nile's flood patterns to build the pyramids. The Greeks, with their emphasis on aesthetics, used mathematical ratios to achieve perfect symmetry. The Chinese, facing the challenge of diverse terrains, adapted their construction techniques to build the Great Wall. Moreover, these structures are deeply rooted in their cultural contexts. The pyramids, the Parthenon, and the Great Wall are not just monumental structures, but symbols of power, devotion, and protection. These remarkable structures not only showcase the ingenuity of our ancestors, but also laid the foundation for future architectural developments. As we move into the medieval period, architecture becomes a reflection of both faith and power. During this time, we witness the rise of religious and military architecture. Cathedrals and mosques, castles and fortresses These are not mere buildings, but symbols of reverence and authority. The soaring heights of cathedrals with their intricate designs and majestic stained glass windows were more than just places of worship. They were divine skyscrapers, reaching towards the heavens, expressing the deep spirituality of the era. Mosques, on the other hand, with their domed roofs and minarets, were not just stunning architectural feats, but also cultural hubs, places of social and religious gathering. Their intricate geometric patterns and arabesque designs embodied an aesthetic that was both spiritual and mathematical. Simultaneously, the medieval era saw the rise of military architecture. Castles and fortresses were not just residences for the nobility, but also formidable strongholds, standing as bulwarks against potential invasions. The strategic choice of location, often on high hills, was a testament to the importance of geography in medieval warfare. The hills provided a vantage point, allowing a panoramic view of the surrounding terrain, while also making the structures difficult to assault. One of the most remarkable innovations of this period was the Gothic arch. Unlike the rounded Roman arch, the Gothic arch was pointed. This seemingly simple design change had profound implications. It allowed for greater heights and larger windows, filling cathedrals with a cascade of colorful light. But it was more than just an aesthetic innovation. The Gothic arch distributed weight more evenly, enabling the construction of larger, more stable structures. These structures, built with an eye for both beauty and function, were not just products of their time. They were the embodiment of a society's values, aspirations, and fears. They were built to last, and they have. Today, they continue to shape our landscapes, standing as silent witnesses to the past, and as enduring inspirations for the architects of the present and future. These structures, built with an eye for both beauty and function, continue to shape our landscapes today. The advent of the Industrial Revolution brought dramatic changes to architecture. As we ventured into the 19th century, new materials began to shape the world of architecture. Steel and concrete, once thought of as industrial materials, became the backbone of our cities. These materials offered strength and flexibility, allowing architects to push the boundaries of design and construct buildings that reached for the sky. The rise of skyscrapers was a direct result of these advances. Previously, buildings were limited by the weight-bearing capacity of their walls. But with steel, architects could build vertically, creating structures that pierced the clouds. The most prominent example of this is the Empire State Building in New York, a towering feat of engineering that stood as the world's tallest building for nearly 4 decades. But modern architecture isn't just about towering skyscrapers. As we moved into the 20th century, architects began to engage with the challenges of rapid urbanization. They sought to create living spaces that were both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The rise of the Bauhaus movement in Germany, for instance, emphasized the marriage of form and function, creating designs that were both practical and visually striking. As we moved into the 21st century, sustainability became a key consideration. Architects started to experiment with green building materials and energy-efficient design, responding to the growing concern about climate change. Buildings like the Bullitt Center in Seattle, known as the greenest commercial building in the world, demonstrate how modern architecture can contribute to environmental solutions. Furthermore, modern architecture has become more than just constructing buildings. It's about creating spaces that reflect our values, our aspirations, and our understanding of the world. From the sleek minimalism of a Tadao Ando building to the whimsical curves of a Frank Gehry design, modern architecture is as diverse as the societies it serves. In the modern era, architecture has become a testament to our technological prowess and our evolving understanding of the environment. It's a reflection of our time, a mirror that captures our past, present, and potential future. Looking ahead, how might architecture continue to evolve in the future? As we gaze into the horizon, we see potential trends in future architecture that paint a picture of what our cities and homes might look like. One of the most significant trends is the increased use of green technologies. As the world grapples with climate change, architects are designing buildings that are not just beautiful, but also sustainable. Imagine skyscrapers that generate their own energy through solar panels or wind turbines, or houses that recycle water, reducing the strain on our planet's resources. Another trend is the adaptive reuse of existing structures. Instead of tearing down old buildings to make way for the new, architects are finding innovative ways to breathe new life into them. Picture a 100-year-old factory turned into a vibrant community center, or a decommissioned railway station transformed into a bustling market. This approach not only preserves our architectural heritage, but also reduces waste and construction costs. The future of architecture also promises an integration of smart technology. Think of homes that adjust their temperature based on weather forecasts, or office buildings where elevators know your floor before you even step in. Technology will not just be a tool for architects, it will become an integral part of our buildings, making them more efficient and comfortable. Yet, amidst these trends, it's important to remember that architecture is not just about buildings. It's about creating spaces that reflect who we are and what we value. As our societies evolve, so too will our architecture. Perhaps we'll see more inclusive designs that cater to diverse needs, or maybe architecture that fosters stronger community bonds. Or who knows, we might even witness the birth of entirely new architectural styles that challenge our current notions of beauty and functionality. While we can't predict the future with certainty, one thing is clear: architecture will continue to reflect our values, our innovations, and our aspirations. And from the pyramids of Egypt to the skyscrapers of New York, architecture tells a fascinating story of human ingenuity and creativity. We've journeyed through time, exploring the diverse architectural expressions of different cultures and eras. We've seen how the ancient Egyptians harnessed their knowledge of geometry to build monumental pyramids, and how medieval architects crafted intricate cathedrals, pushing the boundaries of what was structurally possible. We've also examined the sleek, functional designs of modern architecture and gazed into the future, envisioning structures that adapt and respond to our changing world. These buildings, bridges, and cities are more than mere structures. They are reflections of the societies that created them, shaped by cultural values, technological advancements, and the ever-present challenge of the environment. So next time you see a building, remember, it's not just a structure. It's a piece of history, a reflection of culture, and a testament to human ingenuity.